Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix not enough storage in CapCut Upscaler. Okay, you have this issue whenever you upscale a video, and then it says there's not enough space. Now, to fix this, open up CapCut, and once it's opened, go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Now, tap on the gear icon right here at the top right. Okay, tap on it, and then scroll all the way down, and you will find clear cache. Okay, so just tap on it. Now it says here, clearing your cache won't delete your drafts, so don't worry about it. Just hit on confirm, and then once done, close the app, close everything, and then reopen it, like so. Now go ahead and check if it helps. Now if that still will work, go to the Me section once more at the bottom right. Now you're going to want to go ahead and tap on the gear icon, scroll all the way down, and sign out. Okay? Once signed out, sign back in. And then after that, just gotta check if it helps. Now, if that will work, go ahead and close the app, locate the app icon, tap and hold onto it if you're using Android. Okay. Now tap on information icon. In here, just go ahead and scroll down and find storage. Tap on it. Now tap on clear cache first. Okay. And once that's done, tap on clear data. But before you tap on clear data, first, make sure that you save your drafts online, okay? CapCut got an online container, so make sure that you save your drafts, okay? If you're just using the free version, well, you might want to redo all of your projects later on, okay? It will wipe away the data and saves, okay? Now, I'm not going to do it because I've got tutorial videos on this phone. Now, just tap on clear data, and once done, reopen CapCut, and you should be good to go. Okay, if you're using iOS, just go to the settings app, locate the app section in CapCut, and tap on it, and then just tap on offload data. Offloading data is same as clearing data on Android. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.